Hello guys, welcome to MotorBeam. Today we are riding this. This is not the Pulsar N160, this is the Pulsar N150 with the updated headlight as you can see right over here. This headlight is a brand new unit, like a brand new face of the N160, but it has been updated. अब इसमें एक feature है कि ये headlight ऐसे कैसी चालू रहती है, DRL भी ऐसे कैसे चालू रहता है. There's no button as such to turn the DRL off or to turn the headlight off. You can just go high beam, low beam, that's it यहाँ पे, and there's no other function. But then again, I'll just turn it off so that there's no noise as such of the motorcycle, and you can see then it goes completely blank. As you see, though, closer to the motorcycle, the fuel tank is still the same. The seat is in the same single piece seat like the P150. This is basically the updated face of the P series, and it gets a new name called the N150. Now you can look at the tires over here. Tires have also been updated. Now these are 120 section, and with the update over here you get a new disc which has been put over here. Monoshock still stays the same. There's a guard over here like the mud guard, and tailpiece, it's quite nice. There's a number plate right now, but then the design for the tail light continues as it was. The main change over here for this motorcycle is the cluster, because the cluster has been updated. This is the new digital cluster which has come into picture, and the N150 now, which was at 1,45,000, now costs close to 1,51,000, 1,52,000. मतलब 5-6,000 का फर्क है. Rest all of these things on the motorcycle are still the same, but we'll talk of the meter a little bit more. You can see the meter has this is IFE, there is the instant fuel efficiency, distance to empty. Trip B, I have ridden close to 4.5 kilometers. Odo is just 15 kilometers right now. N is the gear position indicator, basically it shows 1 to 5 N exactly. This is a speedometer, this is the actual tachometer, and this is the fuel gauge. Now if I want to change details from his, यहाँ पे switch gear has been updated. This is the new mode button with which you can change. This is the average fuel economy. I have been getting close to 32, and yep, 32 का mileage मिल रहा है. I can enter into settings and connect Bluetooth. So if I long press this, and this is the number of this Pulsar, the Bluetooth is on, I can connect, I can set the clock, I can get the DTS. I don't know what DTS is, but distance to service I suppose. So 500 km first service आ जाएगा, and I can exit just by long pressing this, and it exits. So this is the Pulsar ka number, and then we come back to the main screen. There's not much details here, but decent amount of information, connectivity features, and then this thing changes the moment you connect your phone with the Bajaj Ride Connect app. यहाँ पे you'll get notifications. यहाँ पे you'll also get a chance to pick up or reject calls. वो सभी बटन से कंट्रोल कर सकते हो. I don't really know how it works because the Bajaj Connect app is not working right now, because there has to be a new user for it. I'll have to log in, put the VIN number and all of that. So I am not doing that because this is not the motorcycle to do it. This is not the media unit to do it. Turn it on, it does a full swipe up, and I know the physical tachometer is now missing, but then this is what you get. This is the switch gear. I'll turn it on. So the moment I turn on the motorcycle, you can hear the exhaust note, which is very similar to that of the Pulsar N160. And what do you think of this? Let me know in the comment section below. My helmet is right here. I'll gear up and let's start riding right away. Okay guys, so we are out tackling the traffic itself right from the start. This is the N150, which I've already talked about a little bit. So design wise में तो it looks like the 160 and all, वो सब तो ठीक ही है, but it sounds also quite nice like the Pulsar P150. But yeah, it's now like a facelift आ गया, इसको name change कर दिया, सब कर दिया. So now this is the N150. हाँ भाई, चलो चलो अभी. Thank you sir. So this one gets a 150cc motor producing close to 14 bhp of power, 14.5 PS and 13.5 Newton meters. It weighs close to 145, 147 kgs, and this motorcycle rides quite well. इसका headlight भी देख रहे हो सामने. It is quite bright, so the update in the face that's there for the N150, which is similar to that of the N160, उसकी वजह से the headlight looks nice, the whole face looks nice, it looks more aggressive. बहुत प्यारा लगता है अभी ये मोटरसाइकिल. एंड ओवरऑल देखें तो इसमें सिंगल चैनल ABS दिया गया, there's no dual channel ABS as such. The front ABS works. Yep, front works fine. The rear did not have the ABS function going on. Will I filter through this gap? I can easily do that because bikes can do that. Okay. Nice. For a 150 this does sound quite nice, but then again abhi now I cannot really see the meter that nicely. सन इज़ राइट अबव माई हेड, लाइक थोड़ा सा पीछे यही एंगल से आ रहा है, तो इसकी वजह से आई कांट रियली सी द मीटर दैट नाइसली, बट देन अगेन इट्स फाइन, इट्स जस्ट अबाउट ऑल राइट. आई वुड हैव एक्चुअली लाइक्ड इट इफ द मीटर was the normal one, because उसमें tachometer proper दिखता है, and then like everything else is a little bit different, but overall this feels right यार. Update में this motorcycle now costs 1,52,000 rupees on road Mumbai, 51-52 के आसपास. So वो price range में if you're looking to buy yourself a proper commuter, ये मस्त है. Like with the half tank of fuel, भाई साहब का गाड़ी बंद हो गया. कर ले बाबा, learnings. So I don't know if you can see this, but if I am cruising right now at 40-50 kilometers per liter, 44 का माइलेज तो ऐसे ही दे रहा है, like instant fuel efficiency. I've already done a meter reset, तो उसमें मेरे को समझ जाएगा कि what is the exact mileage I'm getting for how many kilometers I ride. So that is also something that's interesting, very very interesting. Sounds good, yes, actually sounds quite nice. Accelerate. It does not have the punch as the N160, मतलब wheelie उठेगा वैसा, but this one has a good amount of torque going around, so I can actually be on a higher gear, lower RPM, like I'm on the 5th gear at 50. Brilliant. If I slow down a little, I'm still on the 5th gear, I'll stick to the 5th gear, and then I'll come down to 40. No knocking as such. Very nice. Really like how this one rides here. The suspension is a little on the harder side now. It feels a little bit harder, but then again not too hard. मतलब comfort भी है, balance भी है. Ergonomy with this motorcycle is quite sound. If I jump the speed breaker a little faster, dynamically also quite good. The tires have gotten thicker, जो मैंने पहले बताया walk around में, so उसके वजह से the whole feel has changed. So instead of buying like the bike that was behind that, the FZX, you can actually consider this here, like Pulsar, and yep, this is a single channel ABS, although the disc has been updated, but no dual channel ABS as such, which is okay. Mirrors could have been a little bit better यहाँ पे because of the taperness, थोड़ा सा vision कम है, but still quite wide, quite nice. Now as you see, the angle is completely changed. I am now kind of facing the sun. Visibility is still fine for the meter, so basically when the sun is on top or right behind you, it's pointing inside the meter, that is when the meter will not be visible. तो meter update के बाद ये थोड़ा सा एक दिक्कत हो सकता है, but it's not really a bigger problem as such. बस देखेंगे नहीं, घुमाते जाएंगे, जो टर्न मिला ले लो. Okay. As you can see, the live fuel efficiency goes up to 50-70 also at times, मतलब वो थोड़ा ज़्यादा दिखा रहा है. In the current situation, I was getting close to 32 kilometers per liter, which is little less for this motorcycle, but I've been driving in traffic or pushing the motorcycle like such. So in a way, for an extra cost of 5,000 rupees over the regular Pulsar N150, because P150 has been shut and this is a replacement model to it, you can actually enjoy this motorcycle quite a bit. Yeah, priced 152, not bad, on road Mumbai. Thank you so much for watching. This was a quick review. I had got a chance to ride this motorcycle only for a short distance, and यहाँ पे I wanted to get a first impression. So this is maybe a first impression, not a full review as such. Once we get this motorcycle for longer duration, I'll do a proper compare with other bikes as well, like the Gixxer and the FZ also. So watch out this, like you can watch out this space for more, and बाकी देखते हैं, जो मज़ा आएगा. Thank you, bye bye.